Thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Marta. Welcome to my channel. I completely forgot to record the intro to this video today. I was so excited to go visit our new baby pionus. She is Maximilian pionus. Her name is Becky. She's about 8 weeks old. So just wanted to share the journey. I will be recording the journey of her from baby to adult, so I can't wait to share that with you. But I also wanted to share this beautiful place we go to in New Jersey named Bird Paradise. They are freaking amazing. We have gotten a bird from there about 8 years ago, and she's still with us. She's still wonderful, healthy, beautiful bird. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Bird Paradise. They are freaking amazing. Let me tell you, and their birds are healthy, beautiful, sweet, so well taken care of, and so tamed that you won't find a place like that in the state of New Jersey, New York, or Pennsylvania. I put my money on that. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my maxi baby as well as all the other babies, especially the baby macaw. I was ready to take her home one day. That's my dream bird. We'll see. But please enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow me, and share my video. And I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.